A company sent me this air duster, so let me open it up. We'll see what comes with it, and then we'll see how it works. When you open it up, this is what you get. You get the actual air duster here. You get a charging cable, which is USB-A to USB-C. You get all of these nozzles here. This is a nozzle that'll go on the end of it that has some little brushes on it, plus all of these little fine, tip nozzles and stuff. It comes with a user manual, and then it also comes with 3 cleaning brushes. So these are all just kind of different size, little bitty small cleaning brush to loosen stuff. So yeah, this is everything that you get with this. We'll take a look here at the actual air duster. It comes with a little protective cover that is over the button. I believe this is just whenever it's shipping, that way you don't accidentally hit the button. To power this on, you just press and hold this power button. And as you can hear, that is pretty loud, pretty forceful, but it also has 3 powers, and so you can adjust that by tapping these. So we'll tap it. And whenever you tap it, the last time it'll just go like to the standby mode. You can see your battery life here. To power this off again, press and hold it, and then it will completely power it off. Now to charge this, it does have the little USB-C port right here on the back of it, so you just plug that in there and then plug this into a wall adapter of some kind that you have, so that should charge it just fine. It does have a light on the front of it while it is being used, so you should be able to see that here. So this comes in pretty handy. We've been using it around the shop here now, and as you can see, it makes cleaning out like a computer. This was no computer that we had. It makes cleaning out the computer very easy. It'll blow the dust off the fans and all of that quite well. And then for like keyboards, you can use like smaller tip nozzles or something like that, and you can clean out like computer keyboards. We've done a couple of those. We also cleaned like part of our laser, and it worked great with the little brush nozzle to where we could use that to kind of knock off some of the dust that was stuck to it and then blow it off. So yeah, it works very well. It feels good in your hand. Now you can use this to blow up balloons, so you could use whichever nozzle that you needed to blow up balloons. It even has a nozzle here that pushes air out 2 sides, has like a hole in it here so the air's not coming directly out the front. So you could have several different nozzles that you can use, or you can use it without any nozzle. I think this works great. So yeah, if you had a birthday party, something like this would come in handy to get several balloons blowed up so you didn't have to manually do it. But so many uses that you could find with one of these. I think around the shop, this would be very handy.